We'll guide you through how to make stairs in AutoCAD architecture. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, begin by launching AutoCAD architecture by double-clicking the AutoCAD architecture icon on your desktop or selecting it from the Start menu. Open a drawing by clicking New to create a new drawing or Open to access an existing .dwg file. Change the view to an isometric view by using the View Cube or selecting an isometric view from the view controls so you can clearly see the three-dimensional model. Click the Home tab and locate the Build panel. Click the Stair tool to start creating a stair object. Open the Properties palette if it is not already displayed and review the default stair settings. Set the stair type, width, height, tread depth, riser height, and other properties according to your project requirements. Click in the drawing area to specify the starting point of the stair. Move the cursor in the direction where you want the stair to extend. Hold the cursor button and move the cursor to change the stair direction until it matches your desired layout. Click again to specify the endpoint and define the stair length. Enter the number of risers or allow AutoCAD architecture to calculate them automatically based on the stair height. Review the stair preview to confirm that the size, direction, and configuration are correct. Press Enter to complete the stair creation. Select the stair object to display the Properties palette. Click the Browse button in the Properties palette to open the list of available stair styles. Select the stair style that best matches your project requirements and verify that the new style has been applied to the stair object. Review the completed stair carefully to ensure every setting is correct before saving your drawing. Your stair is now ready for further editing, viewing, or use within your architectural project.